Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to repair broken apps and programs on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be if you're having an issue with a particular program, just close out of any open programs and applications and restart your computer and then attempt to relaunch the application and see if that has resolved the problem. A couple other things we can try here as well would be if you would open up the search menu and type in settings, best match, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Now on the left side, select apps, and then on the right side underneath apps, select installed apps. You can search the apps field for the application you're having the problem with and then select it, or select the three-dot icon immediately next to it and select the advanced options that may appear. And then you would scroll down underneath reset. If the app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Select repair. And hopefully at that point, the issue should have been resolved. Now, if you're still having a problem, you can attempt to reset the application, and this will delete the app's data on your device. So if you select reset here, this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select reset and give that a moment. And then once that's done, go ahead and close out of here. And you want to restart your computer. And then, like I said, hopefully that has resolved the problem. If you're still having issues, something else we can try would be to also uninstall the program and then reinstall it. So if you went back into settings here and you selected apps on the left side, went back underneath installed apps, and then locate the app that you're having the problem with, select the three-dot icon next to it, and then you would select uninstall. Once it finished uninstalling, you would restart your computer and then re-download the application. And then hopefully, once again, that's resolved the problem. And one final thing we can look into here as well, if you open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, it'll come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And into this elevated command line window, you want to type in SFC followed by a space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to the / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. And once that has concluded, go ahead and close out of here. And then you want to restart your computer. And then hopefully at this point your issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do about to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.